Notice of clients for assessing the Buffalo Narrows Medical Travel Office. Iko ay pizza ko may watap mitsa may humatansid itaswata ko mata ay you have to abide by these ay makapin mas nahakwa iba myopix ko NFT phone there's a voicemail manis paikikta putik kaya kanagatamin kuihun iwa o nakia igo time atwa services in the week tamin tanti dental we tuhti na pwede maski kiwi no indo ap meta pwede pugiti we tuhti niya for medical services iwas pi pumi na tastain tan tuhti kia your address igo phone number gitsinati guan ma ay muy kagipik squat gwa kispin muy ay number kinagatin iba health number minaputas tayo na which is 3D number iba the date and speed magawi 15 ay iba mina the time iba the location tanti gawi 15 and if you have appointment letters igunimina kichinat si makaskwitsahin to this fax number 306-235-4500 asko tu mana ay mas kikiwi no kimi mas si fax a letter to fax for your next appointment. So if you require an escort, you must have a doctor's letter for this. Muy pugis pi kagi kagi po sa hawik ta puta letter tayain. And if you don't have a letter for an escort, then the taxi can refuse you. And without this information, trips will not be arranged. This trip arrangement also requires a minimum of 48 hours. Pukuiwa kamigi na 24-hour notice kis pino nanto kuito kantas goods in the city ay PA which si Saskatoon or wherever you have to give a 24-hour notice. You wag spin we a Meadow Lake Tipia 24-hour notice kamigin. You go to makais phone higino ma 306-235-6307. You want maminay gimis tas ko man number. It used to be 235-5831. It's changed to 306-235-6307. Iwan mamasto iwan number kami tas no clients or escorts are to be under the influence of drugs and alcohol. Tihis man sisikap mo tahis chikuge ay patients maski kisiut na kawa puchi pinnih puchi iwa mamui it will not be tolerated. And verbal abuse minat ay any sort muy kagiwahuya kwanik tapapiyah takpo tayain kapin tapatagoin. And their office hours are Monday to Friday ay inanyu kitsi payak inanyu che sko ay nyanan tepegan 5 o'clock 8 to 5 and they're closed for lunch hour. So we stone tamando meet so akit takpahamok for lunch hour. They're closed weekends and statutory holidays. So igo may pitamago igwama from Saskatchewan Health Authority. Healthy people, healthy Saskatchewan.